Changing one's reality is a complex and often philosophical topic, and it's often associated with the concept of manifestation, spirituality, and the law of attraction. While the process may vary depending on one's beliefs and practices, here are some general steps to consider when it comes to changing your reality. 1. Belief and intention. Start by believing in the possibility of change. Your beliefs shape your reality. Set clear and specific intentions about what you want to change in your life. 2. Visualization. Visualize the new reality you desire in vivid detail. Imagine it as if it's already happening. Use all your senses to make the visualization more potent. 3. Positive affirmations. Use positive affirmations to reinforce your beliefs. These are short, powerful statements that reflect your desired reality. Repeat them regularly to reprogram your subconscious mind. 4. Gratitude. Cultivate gratitude for what you already have. This positive energy attracts more positivity into your life. Keep a gratitude journal to remind yourself of the things you appreciate. 5. Action and effort. Manifestation often requires more than just thoughts. You must take inspired action towards your goals. Make a plan and actively work towards your desired reality. 6. Surroundings and relationships. Evaluate your environment and the people you surround yourself with. Ensure they align with your new reality. If necessary, make changes to your surroundings and relationships to support your goals. 7. Stay patient and persistent. Changing your reality may take time. Be patient and persistent in your efforts. Maintain your belief and focus on your intentions. 8. Self-reflection. Regularly reflect on your progress and adjust your approach if needed. Learn from your experiences and adapt as you go. 9. Meditation and mindfulness. Practice meditation and mindfulness to calm your mind, reduce stress, and stay in the present moment. A clear, calm mind is more receptive to change. 10. Consistency. Consistency in your beliefs, practices, and actions is key. It reinforces your commitment to change. Remember that changing your reality is a personal journey, and the specific steps you take can vary depending on your individual beliefs and practices. It's important to remain open to the process and adapt as needed along the way. Additionally, different people may find success through various methods, so explore what resonates with you and what aligns with your beliefs and values. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below.